Changing your plan on Filevine is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your new plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Filevine account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you have administrative privileges to make changes to your plan. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Select subscription or billing. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled subscription or billing. Click on this option to view your current plan details and available upgrades or downgrades. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans available and select the one that best fits your needs. Click on the plan to see more details and confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes and payments. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the AirShock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your plan will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Filevine support for assistance.